Hello friends, welcome to Force Tutorials. Myself Harish, this is part 11 of SQL tutorials. In this video, we'll learn what is an AND operator and OR operator, how to use an order by clause. So let's begin with our tutorial. What is an AND operator? An AND operator displays records if all the conditions specified by the AND clause are true. Syntax for same is select star from table underscore name where condition 1 and condition 2. Only those records which satisfies both the conditions will be retrieved from the table. So let's take a practical example of AND clause. We'll go to SQL Management Studio. We'll use our previous table which we created on previous videos. We'll select star from employee. First we run the select query. Now we want to retrieve only those employees who are living in Mumbai and whose gender is male. So for retrieving that employees, we'll write a query where we'll use an AND clause for this. So we'll specify whatever his condition is where we want to find the employees who are living in Mumbai. So where city is equal to Mumbai is equal to Mumbai. So what we want to find all the employees who are living in Mumbai and whose gender is male. First of all, we'll run this query. So we can find that there are 3 employees who are living in Mumbai. But what our condition is, we want all the employees who are living in Mumbai and whose gender is male. So for that we'll specify and gender is equal to male. So when we run this query, select star for employees where city is equal to Mumbai and gender equals to male. So now we can see only 2 records. There are only two employees who are living in Mumbai and whose gender is male. So in this way we can use an AND clause. Now we'll check how to use an OR operator. An OR operator displays the record if any of the conditions specified in the OR clause is true. Syntax for OR clause is select star from table underscore name where condition 1 or condition 2. We'll check the practical example of the OR clause. Navigate to SQL Management Studio. Now we want to retrieve the employees who are living in Mumbai or whose gender is male. We don't need both the condition to be true. If any of the record which specifies any of the condition, any one of the condition, that would be retrieved. So in that case we'll use OR clause. So what we want to do, we want to retrieve the employees who are living in Mumbai or whose gender is male. So when we run this query, we can see there are multiple records. Now we can say why Sarah record has been displayed, because Sarah lives in her gender is female, but if you check her city is Mumbai. So for our condition to retrieve the record, it does not need that both the condition needs to true. If any of the condition is true, it will retrieve that record. So since Sarah lives in Mumbai, that condition is met, so it has written this record, Sarah's record. And if you check why it has written Navi Mumbai's people record, if city equals to Navi Mumbai, if you check these 2 records are been retrieved because here the city is not Mumbai, so this condition is evaluated to false. But if you check, we have specified OR condition and their gender is male. So since that this condition evaluates to true, these records are included in the result set. So in this way, an AND clause and OR clause works. Now we'll check what is an order by clause and how to use an order by clause. So order by clause. Order by clause is used to sort the records in ascending or a descending order. The syntax for order by clause is select star from table underscore name, order by column from which column we want to sort and in which order, it is ascending order or a descending order. Now we'll check how to implement the order by clause. We'll navigate to SQL Management Studio. Remove this condition. Now we want to sort the records in descending order by ID. Order by ID, descending. So what it will do, it will sort all the records in the descending order of an ID. So if we run this query, you can see record number 5 has come first. If you don't specify anything here, then it will sort the record by default in ascending order. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you want to sort the records in a descending order of an ID, we'll go to specify that as descending and we'll run the query. So in this way, records are sorted in ascending or descending order. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Thank you.